Tired of nosy data clouding your insights? Let's cut through the chaos and reveal hidden trends by calculating moving averages in Qlik Sense. First, open your Qlik Sense app and navigate to the sheet where you want to add the moving average. We'll be working with a line chart visualizing your time series data. Click the Edit button in the top right corner to enter edit mode. This allows us to modify the chart and add our calculations. Now, in the Properties panel on the right-hand side, locate the Measure section. This is where we'll define our moving average calculation. Click the Add Measure button, the one with the plus icon, to create a new measure for our moving average. In the expression editor, type in the formula for moving average. We'll use the AGR function combined with the AVG function. The formula will look something like AGR your measure. Your date field, windowing function, replace your measure with the name of your actual measure you want to smooth, and your date field with the field containing your dates. The windowing function specifies the period to average over. Give your new measure a descriptive label, like moving average, then adjust the number formatting to match your data's format for better readability. Finally, click Done to exit edit mode and admire your newly calculated moving average. You can now clearly see the smooth trend, helping you make data-driven decisions with confidence.